Kukhuluma ndoda ungathuli, inkinga tiyagibelana. Mr Smooth, yimi namhlanje ngiphethe, yimi namhlanje ngigibelile, yimi namhlanje ngigibele esihlalweni esikhulu esiphakeme. Ngithi ngithanda ukunibingelela nonke ama viewers kukhuluma ndoda ungathuli. Namhlanje yakhumbula kahle last week we talk about the disciplinary. So today I'm having the right gentleman that will help us ngendaba ye disciplinary. On my right, ngiphethe uSifiso. And then on my left, ngiphethe uMJ. Sifiso,
Grootman.
last man ngikhumbula kahle ship and what business ship and
Korea, you said deliver.
Imse deliver.
Yes.
Are you still on doing it?
No. We sold that business.
So the business one. Yeah. Oh, okay. No, that's right. Today ngiphethe greater generation disciplinary camp.
Yes, sir.
Abantu abadila ngomthetho, abantu abadila ngokulungisa. Ngibeka kahle nje.
Yeah, you be kahle.
Yeah. So today, gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you and mbulisa my viewers with.
But hope that.
No, mara so ishilo mphathi.
Yeah.
We'll just thank them ukuthi thanks for tuning in and watching ababukele le episode ye kukhuluma ndoda. Mina uMJ from Greater Generation. Originally I was born Bushbuckridge. Ngifike la Witbank when I think I was 6-7, yeah. Okay. So kahle ngikhulele la Witbank because primary school bengila Witbank, high school bengila Witbank. Yeah, nje ukuzi introduce nje kuphela.
Yeah. Sifiso?
Yeah. No, mina nguSifiso Ngomane ngikhulele eBodlindlana, angazi uyazi eBodlindlana. Yeah, ngikhulele la ngafunda khona la primary high school. Yeah. Ngangomane Sibongo siyabonga ukuthi usinvite over sizo share ama ideas and sikhona ukusiza umphakathi.
Niyazi ke la ukukhuluma ndoda ukuthi sibhekana nendaba eziningi. So siphethe amadoda azokhulumisana nathi ukuthi how do you help your kid to become a right kid? So the Greater Generation, how did it start?
Greater Generation was ngathini izalwe Operation Kultra. After a viral video of eyaphuma abantwana abashayana one of our local schools, we decided to come up with the initiative Operation Kultra, which was Emalahleni motorbikers former a group sivakashela lezikolo tackling bullying sisibasiza ngokusearcha labantwana izinto ezinjengalezo. Then we approached the SAPS sathi no madoda sifuna ukusebenza nani. Then that's when they covered us under the umbrella ye CPF. Saqala sasebenzisana ne SAPS sivakashela ikolo nani search abantwana. Came to a point kufika umzali uthi police station ufika nomntwana wakhe uthi no umntwana ngiyambona uchintshile esikolweni but ekhaya ngisabhekene nalenkinga leyo ukuthi usayenza zonke lezi zinto bekazenza. So yini enye into angayenza engamsiza. I spoke to umphathi ngathi umphathi lento issues lo mama it's very powerful. Yini into esingabasiza ngayo. Motivated by ama-gents amanye Prince Wakopitori. The umuntu look up to him, looked up to him. But no, we also can do this. Let's try it. Sivule disciplinary camp. Sibone ukuthi labazali sibasiza kanjani ngaphandle kwesikolo. Yes.
So are you registered?
Yeah, we are registered NPO.
Okay.
With the social development. Yeah.
So then pick up kanjani labantwana?
So see push through social media marketing yethu. We're trying so hard we push njalo. Then we do have a WhatsApp group in abazali. So each and every time makuzoba ne camp, that's why we do our updates. So lama camp lawa siwenza during school holidays.
So not the camp ukhuluma ngani so like yini nezayo kwenzakalani what date what place. Okay, start like that.
Yeah.
Now umntwana umphika like mina umzali ngizakini.
Yeah, so inamba yethi seyikhona throughout the social media. So abanye abazali basifonela siye endlini. Utholakala ukuthi hayi intwana manje beyifuna just nje ukushaya ngempamanyana yabo. Yeah, uthola after impama intwana ibuye beshapa. Ukhona lo simbona ukuthi hayi mama le ake sicede la endlini. Mama nama documents nama form. usilethele nabangafana isikolo silethele necampaign so iceda kahle
usimzala ube uyomlethayo
uyomlethayo so i-option ekhona if ngoba labantwana phela ibheva ngithi
Yeah.
so umzali uyakhona ukuthi athathe i-option ukuthi simlande lo mntwana thina yeah so kwamanje asinayo leyo ukuthi siyaphika
Okay.
so ile yokuthi siphushe marketing through social media so if umzali uyayibona bese uyasicontacta bese
nami nayo lento la
yeah so iyo la platform lawa so la azokhona ukuthi lento senza ikhona ukufika kwanye abazali yabo
then age wise
yeah for now i-focus rate is between 8 years to 26
ukhona isibheva 26
but besinomuntu na 33 previous camp
yeah
usahlala ekhaya
uyabahlupha le ngifuna ukubuyela back to le ndaba yokuphika ukuthi thina sibaphika kanjani labantwana leyo it's very risky for ukuthi thina sambe sotshela umzali ukuthi lo mntwana ufuneka ecampini because lapha remember this intense exercises umntwana athinyeke for example athi uyagijima athinyeke umzali uyothina simsukele sazolanda umntwana so rather umzali alethe umntwana kithi asifune asithole asitshele ukuthi unenkinga so simtshela ukuthi singakusiza ngendlela eso bamlethe kithi yes
so then now umntwana now bamletha what's the first thing that did you look at
no before bekafika we just break the ice remember ukuthi umntwana bekafika disciplinary camp akekho happy ngale environment
bamlethina lana vele utshe ngeke ngizwe ngabo mina
ngimikise ejele bamjwayela kahle kahle nabantwana bathuka abazali bawo bafika nathi nabantwana basithuka nani but we just break the ice we play along with le drama yabo nani ekugcineni uyobona ukuthi kahle kahle lana bengenza idrama ngizibangela mina uzocala bese uyaplana in nalabo abanye abantwana because we do have some kids ebawaletha icamp seyiqalile afike vele ayilomuntu loyo some will try to escape ebusuku asilali like we the first 3 days kuyabheda mphathi so to break the ice kusinge isikhathi sivele sibathathe bonke labantwana sithi asingene edakeni azishe phakathi edakeni bonke then we tell them the code of conduct njoba sebafike
wait now edakeni ushithini
we've got a mud pits bangena you roll on the mud pits
konke umzimba
yes ungena konke nje uphelele uphuma ubrown lapho oyiwani waphuma sesabona ikhala yakhe niyabuyela nonke injury to one injury to all
wait lo muntu sabona ikhala yakhe
nonke niyabuyela
ushuta kangelanga kahle lapha
ngena
okay what's the purpose edaka chance wait man what's the purpose edaka in purpose edaka why mfaka abantu edakeni
there is
mara mose kahle athi ngimele la manje wamfaka edakeni
bese kushaya mental sikushaya physical
no I believe it's destroying correct destroying correct because bongena lapha ungena upraye but then bophuma ngale le daka leli awuso praye it's just to destroy their character because remember Tina we just help the parents to break down these kids then the parents must rebuild them to lente bafuna babe
so what's the second thing after daka
no there's a lot of activities ayenzakalayo lapha but mostly abakhala ngale labedakeni
nithatha uke white school ibuya nithatha lapha
no we are inspired by military so zonke lezi sizenzayo it's military based it's military
ngiyanyana nami lapha
bofika vele siyastop ama activity ifana nasengomeni bongayanga wazi nathi bonke labantwana bebeza kithi ubuyele ekhaya abana lento le ukuthi mama
lapha ubuye
mina cha angisabuyeli lapha kubhlungu mama ngivuka ngo4 ngiyaziphekela ngiyaziwashela nabo se impahla zabo bezifeyila banika mina bathi washa nalezi sikhomba ukuthi umzali bekathuma uzoyenza wena uyathanda urawuthanda ekugcineni uzoyenza lento because uzifuna lezi inkuni lapha uzicalela umlilo umechisi sivela nawo sininika umechisi nazi stikse zi3
zaphela bahle
zaphela nizozibona I remember this other time party, they were cooking abantwana ekuseni ba prepare umdoko. Yeah, babhizi bapheka umdoko ba eat impuphu. Iqine lento ibeyipapa la. Hayi ngonyama abanika ishukela. Atinali ishukela bona niceda njani. Le papa ngifuna kuphelile. Bathi mara sayisicela umshiwo na dose nombono.
Yeah.
Nombono la kamla. Zonke tayire. Tie up azisho.
Itayere njani manje?
Uphamisa itayere. Singiniza itayere linganga usiyakutshela siyakuthuma first day of the camp. Siyakutshela hamba uzikhethela itayere. Uzobuya wena netayere elikhulu. Asha wazi.
Ngazi wenzakalani.
Asha awazi. Esibajikisa yilabo Cocomelon.
Okay.
Cocomelon yamona una 8 years. Uyabona nomuntu lo letayere lithethe. Limhlula ukuliphusha ezenani. So ukuliphakamisa it's a problem.
Wait man, wala age 8.
Yeah.
Umntana una 8. Usho umzali?
Yes.
Bro, ufuna ukuthi ufike uzobona.
8.
Abazali bathole enzima.
Amshaya ngimbamba simo. 8
years.
No, remember pray enye into which is the root yonke lento le. Labantwana bona laba bana 8 years. Uhlala nesingle parent.
Eyisani, time alikho.
Itime alikho.
Eyisani.
And yena uya insist ukuthi ufuna ukubona itime and itime alingene empilweni yakhe. And uyazi abomagogo kanjani. Uyokutshela ukuthi baba kaya ingena uyilapho. Lo mntwana bese uqala uhlanyela endlini.
Hayi izomlimaza.
Bese uqala uhlanyela endlini, uphula izinto la endlini. Esikolweni uyabhulisha, yabona lo mntwana uphenduka enye into la.
Ufuna attention ukuthi bazokhona ukuthi no. Sabe ukubaba kho ke.
Yeah.
Any means necessary.
So now sewase campaign. Bahlala isikhathi singakanani?
Depend on school holidays because so lama camps wenza during school holidays. So manje siya June is na 20 days.
Okay.
So we call
so 95 days. Uyakwenza ukuthi the 5 days ube sengrand.
Bakhona bazoba grand, bakhona ke babe grand. So what we do is siyamtshela umzali. Akasirele. But if umzali uya insist it's okay, ngomthatha.
Okay.
But thina siyakutshela iqiniso.
Yeah.
Akasirele.
Yeah, phela ngakhona pretender for 5 days phela.
Yeah.
Ngimamele kahle hayi imphathi yo. Ngivele ngibe grand. Net ngiphuma la.
Uqale phansi.
Ngale phansi ngifika endlini.
The fun part about this whole thing is ukuthi abazali bebafona. Bathi uqale phansi.
Yeah.
Ucabanga labo sathana abayi5 labo uhlangane nabo le campaign. Uthi ish. Kuno Semajor, kuno General K, kuno General Prince, General MJ, kuno Sematha.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi la ngisengingeni. La ngiba ne problem. Ulunga same time before bengene ekhayini so umile izandla zinemuva. Ume njengesotsho ba straight the posture.
Yeah.
Because uyazi labantu bezelaba ngizodlala. La ngisengimoshile.
Ngicabanga ukuthi my punishment yami sobadabula mosmele.
Yeah, vele both yasenza ngawo example. Ngisho uyalazi lekhaya.
Yeah.
Sithi pray amabhodo.
Yeah.
Yaza
Yeah.
Yes. So and then June sharp grand and then nabaqedile. What's the procedure like? Ngibona njani umntwana uthi ke no, yazi nemphando sakhe.
Yeah, so what we usually do is sibanikeza 21 days because most abantwana beza lapha bobhema insana. So sibanikeza the 21 days ukuthi isystem yabo from the camp. Sibastabilize the camping team.
Okay.
Ababuyela emakhaya. The 21 days after lapho 21 days abazali batested bese siyabafonela one by one. Mama unjani? Uqhuba njani? Umkhulumise lo mntwana unjani boy? Usaziphethe sharp.
Yeah.
Banga complain vele bayazi ukuthi hayi uyabuya.
So la campaign but do you have all the facilities like your medical thing? I'm check umntwana mhlawumbe ukuthi allergic and all those things.
Yeah, we have a medical assessment esiyenzayo with Siyapula mobile clinic.
Okay.
Uya Tshepo Medupi. Abanye abazali ba prefer ukuthatha umntwana wakhe bozenzela yona le medical examination because remember izinto sizibhekile la ukuthi umntwana bangamgwazi umntwana wakho day before is a campaign wena ezumzala wazi ukuthi bekaphumile izolo eGuruva bamgwazi uza kithi ulimele thina sifika simfaka amadakeni wenza zonke lama activity nani beyabuya endlini athi baba wena ungithandi phela ukwazi ukugwaza le campaign wena ubuyithethisa thina so the medical examination yalento leyo ukuthi kufika i-report ukuthi umntwana ezesikala la has a wound endaweni esona was stabbed yonke lento leyo thina besibheka le report we know ukuthi umntwana lona allergic to into esona uphuza medication esona
inkinga, yeah.
kunomuntu osendlela i-medication yalabantwana obanikeza ngalezi khathi lezi kumele bayiphuze ngayo.
Okay. Then
Just to add on that, ebaluleke kakhulu emantombazaneni futhi i-pregnancy.
wona amantombazana khona
Yeah, umuntu ozana
ngithatha Alex.
Alex. Because uyamthatha umntwana namanje ku the previous camp khona simpick up pregnant in 1 month or 2
abazala bazi.
Yeah, she was 2 months pregnant.
2 months pregnant. So the physical examination isiza ngalokho.
Yeah, uthi
Sikhona ukubona ngoba uzomthatha umntwana abantu lapha umfaka emadakeni umgugisa amatayera abe phansi phezulu
Abusuka lapha eside, yeah.
abusuka athi angizizwa kahle ngiyagula sithi uyahlanya wena uyazenzisa
Yeah.
kanti ulimele umntwana sithi savuka ekuseni awumphefumulo uphumile baba possible tell isho ukuthi hayi ubisikhelelo
ngiyanisuka vele. Sengiyajika mina futhi umzali
Yona phela ikayithule kumele udlala amakhadi ayi-2.
Yeah.
Uyazi ukuthi abazali at the end of the day uyabasiza but bekungenzeka something wrong
ukujikela umzali.
yokujikela umzali at the end of the day umntwana wakhe lo.
Yeah.
And then food wise nenza njani? Mshe ngibathisana abantwana lapha camping.
Naye sifuna izindaba.
Ngibathisana abantwana lapha.
Abadla kamnandi bona seba cornflakes yeah breakfast ba cornflakes second day ma bacon ma prawns
Nangicabanga ukuthi ekhaya konke lo ngitholi. Nami ngibatot vele. Ngibatot.
Lapha uvuna ukutshalile.
Ayisa.
Uvuna ukutshalile. If uyakhona ukutshala inyama then uzoyidla. If uyakhona because abantwana ba current camp badla into etshalweni laba previous camp.
So like umntana ngeza impahla zakhe nazichecka yonke into.
yeah
Yes.
Because ngaphatha half check nyana yami lapha ngifaka lapha ibhekini lapha.
They've tried.
They've
tried.
Yeah, ukuthi ngishale phakathi.
Umunye nje usambona etoilet uphuma intuthu.
Echufu.
Uphethe
chufu. Ayisa.
And manje uzoyibhema. Uzoyibhema.
ya uyibhebelanga lo ngingaphelanga
Iyaphela manje. It's ayichu.
Angisayibhemi ngendlela yami ngifuna ngayo.
Yeah, kumele uyithethe. Asho senza singayilahla. Asho ayithanda.
Yeah.
yidle
Jesus.
kwayo yalihlafuna lapho usuthola phethe kwayo mtsango
Ama drugs ngina watho.
Yeah, we previously got crystal.
Crystal yeah
Those kids are heavy.
Abantwana bazokuhlanyisa Brian ngisho nale crystal oyitholile ukuthi ufuna ukhomba umzali at the end of the camp. Ufila ngathi nawo ngayo ibhema lento le. Kujaje wena man. Hey. Abantwana bazokuhlangahlanganisa Brian.
yeah
Okay, let me ask this personally so.
yeah
Is where you go wahlukunyezwa mhlambe wena mhlambe or baba bengeke ekhaya because ngendlela ukhuluma ngakhona manje ngiyakuza ukuthi esanento ishaya phakathi enhlizweni.
Honestly speaking mina bekuyimi bengihlukumeza abazali bami. Mina was Sergeant Rada will tell you ukuthi this guy asafunda isikolo iyassess. Bonke labo members
Usho rata
Sergeant.
Yeah.
Uzukutshela. Besikazwani vele sinaye kabuhlungu. Urata ubekeza esikolweni bekahlala nami stage. Beyathi ublo buya.
Yeah.
Hamba uhlala nami stage. Alo angithi la imuthi. Lo bafana nalo.
Yeah.
Like ngizikhandile bro. So ngathola ichance yokuchinja kusese early. So young mina at 17 years I had to be responsible parent and brother and son.
Parent is in baba.
Yes. Ngiphelele ngiphenduka ubaba.
Uphenduka ubaba.
Umntwana wasekhaya. Kumele ngiphenduke indoda ku lady. I had to stop ezinye izinto ngirane izinto ngendlela responsible ukuthi the end of the day lentwana kumele idle no mama kumele adle. So that's when change started. Ukuthi ngichange ngisese intwana because at the age of 19 years bese ngihlala ngi1. You understand ukuthi ngiphandela ukuthi endlini babe grand lo wabe ne transport yokuya esikolweni bakube ne so ezinye izinto ngazibonela mina I've witnessed it ngashaya ikari kababa beyond repair when I was 14 years. Akusangena ama Audi lama transport ama A4 yeah. I shot beyond repair the way bengikanga ngakhona, you understand ukuthi I started smoking cigarette when I was 10 years.
So futhi Cape Town kahle.
Yeah, yona bengiyidinga. Net I was very manipulative mina ke. I was very manipulative. Yeah, bebang mina safabs bemafombe besibawugcwalisile bathi uye safabs wena. Amtshela umama ta ayishapha ngonankinga. And oledi lami lezinye izinto ngiyazi ukuthi akafuni ukuyizwa le. Ngimshaya ngale tag le. So labantwana banokuthi bebashala ama oledi ngale tag le ukuthi ngisengiyayazi ngithi mama miyekele. Asho ufuna uzibulala akunankinga ngifika besiphuma nje ngekasi lakhe ngiphika imoto ngivula umnyango shona khona hayi se nethi umama sekuthi ngivala umnyango sichuka ngesikhingi
wena Sifiso khula kwakho
Yeah, no. Hey, mina ngikhule esontweni. La wona Church of Christ.
Yeah.
Sunday school yangena ngo 8 o'clock. So phuma ngo10 ngena isonto lophuma ngo2 siyaba sendlini siyadla after lapho siyabuya futhi so ngikhule ngekho expose into ezibumnandi so ngithi mangithi phapha ubona ubumnandi ngathi bangifihle into enje but ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngakhona ukwenza u-turn because ispeed bese ngihamba ngaso bese too much kakhulu. But ukhupha lobu komntwana man. Yeah, ngiwasho umashonisa esikolweni. Yeah, ngithanda imali. Yeah, so
ngiyakhumbula ukwenza i-ship and sharks.
Yeah. Concert. Yeah, music.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula umbukile lapho.
Yeah.
DJ.
Yeah, also DJ. So yeah.
Okay.
So kube lawo ama issues lawa njalo but inhlonipho yona ayiveli khona. Nama isesekhona umuntu omdala siyamazi. So has lentwana ezibaqala lokuhlaya zidela abantu abadala iyahlanya man. Hayi. Ungakwenza konke.
Yeah.
Umntwana ona 12 years. Uzophendula nomama ona 45-50. Unamiye 12 years kulomhlaba.
uthi lo ubiza ngolo.
Yeah. There was this other time uSlompati yasiyazibona. Umntwana unanga umntwana wakhipha umama endlini.
Yeah.
Una 14.
Umntwana una 14 ukhipha umamazala. Ukuthi akaphume ledlo sokuyabo.
Yakamuthi ngathi.
Yakutshela Brian.
Yeah, Brian la. Ziyabuya strong.
Umama uyasifonela umama Jens le konje le ndawo Masakha.
Yeah.
Jens nabo abafuna ukubulala la. Shaya imoto namaphoyisa lapha siye lapha. Umfana una 17 uthola nomntwana una 14.
Angeke.
Umntwana una 14 ukhipha umama endlini.
Yeah. Laso gamla.
La sokwami.
Lona umuntu wami ubaba la.
Yeah. Sithe sifika lapha sathi yabona mess. But to be honest with you Brian, eziye zezinto isicalo sayonke into ilakithi abantu abadala. Yeah. Yithi most of the cases esikhosa lezi inkinga sibhekene nazo.
Wase umntwana ezemhlabeni uza empty la.
Yeah.
So yithi thina abazali
they get too exposed ezintweni wena ubhizi ngezinto zakho uthi umntwana akaboni bayabona nabantwana. And even labo esibakhulisa manje umfihlela ukhipha ifoni
yeah ungena efonini a-check yonke social media yeah mina ngazi ngifika lo brain
you understand
ngifika lo brain yeah
angeke uyisebenzise le angeke khohle umntwana ona 5 years Malube umama uphethe usisi wami
kahle ukukhuluma nje normal yeah.
So manje ile nto ehlala isho kuphatha ukuthi bese thina sifuna ukukhulisa labantwana isi-autopilot. Sifuna ukukhulisa abantwana isi-autopilot. Angeke lungu.
Ufuna into izarane.
So is there maybe any tragic thing that happened like mhlawumbe kushona komntwana lapha?
No. Not in our camps. Yeah, we won't talk about other people, but yet a gas. Yeah, we umntwana thina sike sawane incident ukuthi umntwana wadlula bekunensimbi phasi yamsika nje inyawo kancane. But he had to be stitched. Okay. Yeah, that's the worst incident sike sahlangana nokuthi umntwana afainte but ngisho we are first aid trained.
Okay.
So we can assist ngento ezinjalo.
So
So
that-
another thing bray angisabhemi ngikhumbula bengisakhuluma manje ngithi ngaqala ukubhema angisabhemi ngomunye umuntu othi bekabukela la uyabhema
Tell me, yeah. Upemisa abantwana. Yeah. So
So let's say it goes back to that document. We need to know physicality le health
Yalomntwana, yeah.
yomntwana ngoba enye into uthola ukuthi umama ugcile umntwana isifuba sakhe sishaya.
yeah.
Babhema la ngaphandle babhema labachufu kanti isifuba sesiphelile.
Yeah.
Sithatha umntwana thina.
Nanifika lapha.
Sithi gijima umntwana kade akakhoni. Sithi wena uyazenzisa wena. Kile ngithi phumuye umphefumulo. Masikufonela thina. Mr Smooth esicela uze la sokunento evelile na umntwana ulele phansi ushonile.
Yeah, no, you were
Angawutsheli lo.
Yeah.
Uletha umntwana sombulala.
Yeah.
So bona strict kakhulu when it comes to izinto ezinjengalezo.
So now, where do you want to see this? Okay, nayenza le nto nisiza abantwana. Where do you want to see this?
The vision is big. The vision is big, and we are heading in the right direction. We had isikole ezifana nabo Safabs by the likes of Babu Mkhatshwa.
Okay.
Isikole bezikhipha ama distinction. Like ama matric 100% pass rate and ama distinction. Nalo utsuke la fail, uyophuma lengi distinction.
It's a must.
Because lena ayikho ayisekho lempilo le ukuthi bophuma esikolweni udlala ibhola or udlala cricket or udlala rugby. Bophuma lesi military vele. Military. Ntombazana mfana empandla.
Okay.
Bahlukanisa ngeskate ukuthi lo mfana lo intombazana. So nathi the vision is having one of those schools in the near future. Not one futhi in every province mhlambe sihlabe isikole esiwani. Siyazi ukuthi abantwana la sidila nabo educational wise, sidile nabo na futhi physical.
Okay.
Na mental wise. Sikhona ukuthi sibe sidile nabo because it's not only that we sifaka abantwana ematakeni we've got a psychologist on site. You get called as a parent by the psychologist. They refer you to the like Sabono Necro to help you further. Okay. So I'm a psychologist. They'll come back to us. Don't push hard. Mentally, he's not okay. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe une mental problem. Kayiba yaziwa lento le. Uthola ukuthi lo mntwana uma uyazijajela ngaleso sikhathi lesiphatha abuye nganene. Bese omunye uzothola ukuthi we are pushing too hard, but the child is not the problem. The parent is the problem.
Yeah.
Because you get abazali nowadays uhlala nabantwana bakhe bamantombazana abayi4 endlini. Umama utshela ukhuza labantwana ngokuthi bangalala ama-out ngama weekend in uthole umama yena self yena self
Letha yena la endlini.
evikini
Yeah.
usendlini 2 days per
Esa.
ufika endlini afika check abantwana basise right ahambe naleyo ndoda nini ukuya uze ngepholo la
Yeah.
next week ubuye ngechi
Esa, vele obvious.
nini
Yeah,
ukuya
yeah,
ngephelo
yeah,
so
yeah.
labantwana babona ngathi that's life.
Yeah.
To them you are preaching life. Whatever you do as a parent, we have a trainer bona ukuthi they must do the same thing. So angifuni ukublame abantwana kakhulu mina esayidini nami.
Nabazali
Nginokufika
play a role.
in the worst case scenario ngifike endlini last yomzali umzali usifonela wathi sizosola nomntwana shaya imoto drive 400 km fike lapha
Kusho ukuthi 400 speed.
Ngifika lapho umntwana to break the ice bomlando umntwana bomcollector futhi they it's very hard. It's very hard. That's when you need manpower umunyolwa nani just nje umbamba umntwana umkhule umkhame down umfake emotweni sambe siye campini la endleleni mina ngicoci nabo la endleleni noma ngabe ngedrive or noma ngabe sisebhasini ngikhuluma nomntwana singafika campini.
This
Mina-
is isleh lesi.
Yeah. Besifika lapha umntwana ngimthola ucinile vele. Ebona sana sasihamba isikhathi esifikile. Ngiyaphi mina? Angiyilapho Grootman. Ngiyilapho Grootman one legama la Grootman ngakuthatha.
Yeah.
Ngiyawubiza uGrootman. Tsare call me general
Grootman
or
is
Thuli.
famous.
Ngithi call me general or Thuli. Intwana ngithuli ngibheke. Ngithi asambe wena sana. Ngithi mama siphi izikhwama abakhipha izikhwama.
Yeah.
Tshela team thathani izikhwama lesifayini emotweni. Mama athi hayi bengikhohle ukuthenga lokhu nalokhu ngicela udlule ungithengele in nani. Ngitshela team angithi the mali vele.
Yeah.
Thatha la.
Yeah.
Mfana asamba bamba umfana ngebhandi. Uyisiboshwa phela manje.
Esa.
Athi mina ngihambe why ningasithatha ethu nomama. Nisidiscipline soyi2
Njalo.
naye akana discipline.
Yeah.
Umntwana said it to me that day ukuthi uma mthengisa ama drugs. But I didn't entertain that. Yabona ukuthi lo mntwana usakwatile.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Ukhuluma manga nje.
Siyahamba nge-driver. Bengifika after 2 days, psychologist iza kimi. Ethi lapha we are facing a child age. That boy is being sent to go and buy those drugs. The problem the mother has with the child is ukuthi lo mntwana uthengisa uphe iminsango. And le nsango ithengiswa la ekhaya. Le crystal ithengiswa la ekhaya. Le nyawupi ithengiswa la ekhaya.
Nifike esigodleni kahle kahle.
Yeah. Nenza njani? Which role do you play after building that child manje campaign?
Son.
Now uyazibuza ukuthi do we send the police to arrest the mother? Are you destroying the child's future?
Son, yeah.
What's going to happen now? Uthi uthatha umama umvalele khoneni uthi mama la kwenza 1 2 3 ma angiyazi into enjalo mina. Ajika bhekela umntwana ngo-S. Ubone lo mntwana ukuthi uyasaba manje.
Son, yeah.
La yakhona ku-S.
Yeah.
Kuyoba nzima. Sihlangana nama-challenge break kuyabheda la ngaphandle.
Just already but samfonela lo mama sathi mama la sidlalike ke la la sidlalike ke la umntwana ukhulumile
Yeah.
hayi akayibeki kahle umntwana uyibeka kanjani mama ngoba umntwana got arrested
Yes.
uboshiwe ukhawubosha umntwana ngesibanga sabo
Yeah.
cause le ntwana yami bebayithuma yolanda lezinto kwenye province agibele itaxi umntwana akene ngicabanga
Yeah, vele ngimcabanga vele.
so uyabona ukuthi nayo le ntwana ilimele
Seyilimazile yeah.
so umletha kithi ukuthi sizokusolvela inkinga
Kanti uyinkinga nawe sef.
ingathenge yenzeke
Manje naphi moshana?
Samtshela lo mama. Samtshela. Ku two things. It's either stop at the drugs or sokuvulela i-case
Yeah.
because nathi we are authorized ukwenza public arrest. We can arrest them.
Yeah, moshana.
Actually we have vetted CPFs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Almost none is said.
Yeah, no. So it was one of the saddest stories esikhe
Sahlangana
yeah.
So lo mama wayilungisa le ndawo.
No, I'm speaking to I'm speaking to the boy even till to date.
Yeah.
Sometimes we adopt some of the kids with this child, this boy. My challenge is working it within father figure.
Yeah.
Let me play
Yes,
that
son.
father
Oh,
figure
yeah,
role.
son, yeah.
Empilweni lo mntwana. When you need someone to talk to, call me. Don't hesitate. So last angazi balwa nomama wakhe wamtshela ukuthi siyalwa nomama nan call the mother ba mama washo ukuthi no into ebesingayilungisa ngabushilo nan bayilungisa abantu mama wakhe so njengoba angangitext regarding that those issues should it has been resolved
For mhlawumbe mama akasayenzi phambi komntwana mhlawumbe mama akasayenza.
Like we try by all means to shape up and secure the future of this young one.
So now isikhathi sami sisangishaya lapha. Anikhuluma nami ngikhuluma na camera manje. Nifisani mhlawumbe kule sakhe imanayi masishoda ngala shoda ngepotera lapha isinkweni yabo.
So just ukuthi fast today kune ikhuluma umphathi sicela le umphathi becela ukukhuluma manje sicela bobaba
Okay.
babuye empilweni zabantwana most of these boys bayi mess because of akuna time endlini abomalume babheminya kuphi
Yes.
umama khosa umama ubaba because sometimes like umzali makafona because I'm the one who's running that administration. I always ask these questions. Mama nje ukhala so ukuphi baba?
Yeah.
Ngangibuza ngaloyo. So already it's a problem.
Yeah.
So yayikhuluma umphathi ukuthi that's why that we step in but that it gets too much. It gets too much ukuthi uthola ukufona 10 yabantwana bonke bakudinga at the same time. Wathenda muphi
Yeah.
So that's why ngicela ukuthi
Ma
time asibuyele empilweni zalabafana especially abafana.
Yeah.
Because uyayibona ukuthi la sikhona khona sine problem eyendoda. Hambe amajets majority. Amajets majority. Hambe esikolweni uyolandelela ama stats most abantu abahlaba sizinkingeni abafana. So la kune problem ekhona enkulu la ebafaneni.
So yes two enye.
Yeah, no. La mani sifisa ngathi basingathola nje umhlaba wethu sikhone lokuthi sizranele camp kahle because now uthola ugogo uyakufonela mntanami ngihlushwa umntwana la mntanami ngihola ipension nalo mntwana uhola isasa. So now because kunemadlanyana esichargeayo. Because we need to pay for indawo.
Indawo,
We need to pay our facilitator wethu, you know. Yayibona njalo and we need to appreciate abantu abazayo lapha so
ngabe umuntu unesitandi nyana sisipani
Yeah.
uthengisele nakhe
Zakhe.
kunamarumo okulala all activities akhona
then if sesifike lapho we can run this thing throughout with even a weekend. Mama, if uyahlanya loyo akabuye weekend.
yeah angisayenzi ngama
Yeah.
Yeah,
Senza
monitor
throughout the year, yeah.
Throughout the year, yeah.
khona mhlawumbe akushiyayo mhlawumbe
Yeah, we need sponsors, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Running this thing from our own pockets, sometimes it gets tiring. Ube nalento le ukuthi kahle kahle ngifelani la.
Yeah.
Ngoba labantwana at the end of the day ayisibami.
Yes, sir.
Ngifelani. Why ngilongi inject cash so much in this thing? But because the vision is not about the money. The vision is about building a better future for South Africa. So we need sponsors, we need tent sponsors, we need cutlery sponsors, pots, the kitchen, like you name them. Our uniforms, we sting is this name. Remember, Nati self. At the end of the day, we need to be safe. Return home with zero harm. So we need uniform our facilitator weight. We need uniform the generals. We need uniform yabo labantwana laba
transport ngapha nibe nebhasi nyana yenu.
Yes, we tried approaching amanye ama companies I won't mention by name. Sifuna wona lamabhasi ukuthi sicela usize, but a huge shout out to uScooter Sibanyoni. Scooter Sibanyoni is coming, is pulling through for us. uSibanyoni uyasiza kakhulu.
Sibanyoni lo se
Uskebe.
lo ngoba ngithi nje Sibanyoni lo odiyena ushumela ejele manje mhlawumbe nje Sibanyoni lo mhlawumbe ni la laba naye
Scooter like
Scooter la
Akabe
mchina
zimhlophe ngayo.
ngabe great mara ngabe manje thinking hey nani manje thiwa khumula le SMS le WhatsApp le khumula le 1 million bayifaka sifiso phela 1 million yeah no definitely sure is definitely sure abantu abakhona la eWebank that asithi nemali but umuntu athi khona nyana okuncane nginako I can donate ngekhumbi mina I can donate ngibhadala lapha icamp or I can donate ngendawo yami ngisebenzise yona kwamanje all those things I can donate ngegawulo every day you have to have ukudla into efana njengale so lastly in the camp okay manje umzali manje sethi umzali nangu uyayibukela lento that hey mntanami angithola kuphi
yeah umzali bekasifuna if usithola through your social platforms. Our social media platforms is Greater Generation Disciplinary Camp. Gonke with TikTok, Facebook is Greater Generation Disciplinary Camp. Then our office number is 083-508-5179. My personal number is okay 083-508-5179. 083-508-5179. Then my personal number is 065-9788-611. Ngizoyiphinda futhi 065-9788-611. Then usifiso
personally hayi
Akusiyokushare.
yazingambona athi handsome nyana yabo so bese hayi
Handsome.
yeah muhle
Akusiyokushare.
yeah cause number
It's 06 it's 065-911-3346. 065-911-3346.
why biza fast yakho why yakho biza fast
Yazi ngifuna enzele akabize yami na
Awube manje.
akekeni
No ufuna ukujabulisa yena ilezi.
yeah yambona plus that's yambona futhi akuvela yambona futhi ushaya ama-specs yabona ichama le ile chama le
why mina I'm in combat vele ama
ngithanda batshela abantu ngimuhle blind ngithanda batshela ngimuhle blind that's why babiza Mr. Smooth manje
Mr. Smooth.
Mr. Smooth the smoothest one no chance thank you very much for this opportunity and this is not the last
Sure.
this is not the last ngathi kunombuzo Mabuthabethe
inombuzo la ku general general iswa kuphi indaba yakho wa driver yini ukuthi uze uqale le camp and the might susa lento ekudrive ukuthi ususe le camp wayisusa kanjani background yakhona
I've mentioned prior before ukuthi this whole thing yakhuluma umzali parent uthi wakhala ngokuthi sibasiza kanjani bayabona ukuthi siyabasiza esikolweni nga 1 2 3 emakhaya sibasiza kanjani yini into esingeza nayo ngakhona basiza nasekhaya seza nale idea camp we taking the kids away for leyo 7 days 10 days we can try and rebuild those kids sizama ukuthi balungise lento le sibasuse laba khona kwaleso sikhathi bakhona ba accessa lawo ma drugs leyo nsango leyo crystal simsuse away from yona azohlala nathi leyo 10 days abone ukuthi lezi zinto lezi azimsiza nga next bese simbuyisele ekhaya.
Okay, wena wakhishwa yini kulezi zinto angena kizo?
No mina ngazitshela like it was simple futhi uyokeka mina a major thing engingayibhema insango and insango azangibhema isikhathi eside. It was just because I don't believe in peer pressure. I mean ukuthi there's something called peer pressure because out of 10 friends 5 are doing the right thing, 5 are doing the wrong things. Why do I choose this peer pressure? Why didn't I choose the right peer pressure? You understand? So I don't believe go peer pressure. Mina ngabhema sipapa and majority of the people mina I smoked with leyo nsango leyo khathi siqala abanye bakhona balapha eSpy Taspet they are smoking in Nyawupe. It's worse for them. Some of them died bashaya umphakathi umunye washona shayiswa imoto abo adawe yizo lezi zinto lezi. So mina into enkulu bekuyintsango negwayi engathi ngicomplaina ngazo but intsango futhi it was very simple ukuthi ngiye ngasitshe lento la ngisayibhema and I was still azange ibheme futhi nanonyaka intsango into engibhema isikhathi eside it was igwayi. If I'm telling you I started smoking when I was 10 years, I smoked for 19 years and I decided ukuthi I must stop lento egwayi because I must be what I preach lapha ecampini. Umntwana ngathi ngimtshela ukuthi yekela igwayi ngeke likusiza ngane kusathi mara wena general ufuthi igwayi.
So right of time.
Basiyamtshela indaba yakhe.
Yeah.
Tsala this.
Yeah, ukuthi uqaliso yini yeah and then
so
yeah.
The way I explain ngakhona.
Yeah.
Uthi nayo undlulile.
Yeah. Yeah, because mina always say kuba difficult ukukhuza umuntu ongazi uyenza into leyo. Angaze ngibhemini yawuphe mina. So benza ukukhuza wena yabo or angaze ngirejwe. So ngiyokukhuza njani but then bona sebanendlela ethize abasebenzisayo of how to help that. I think asiwonke umuntu khona ukwenza lendlela ehamba.
Yeah.
Umunye uphiwe kulento leyo
injalo. Yeah, we do have facilitators who come from West Cases. Ebabuya kuManyawupe, ebabuya kumaCrystal. We won't mention their names. It's confidential.
Yeah.
So we do have abantu abayibhemile on board. Inyawupe we do have abantu abayibhemile. iCat we do have abantu abayibhemile iCrystal which abantu asikhulumi ngomuntu esithi una 6 months at clean or una 2 months at clean. Talking about people abana 10 years but clean from lezi zinto lezi. So 5 years but clean and umuntu okhona siphila naye. Akayidingi lokuyidinga lento leyo. So umntwana ubhema iCrystal siyazi ukuthi General K angithi uke wayibhema. Yeah. Sakhona ukumthumela ukuthi akhulume naye bathekele lento lebo oyithu yeah.
Yeah, no. Yeah. So lezi izenyawupe zona nikhona basiza.
Yazi ukuthi into angazi mhlambe maybe knowledge yami limited but asina rehab la eWitbank if you think of it. That's not rehab.
Khona. Bishop Uzulu.
Sibali rehab la. Uyakhala la ukuthi social development yamgijimisa.
Okay.
So most of these kids baba yesakwaye moya lebo madelmas le. Why do we have so much taverns?
Yeah.
Why do we have so much churches?
Ngisafuna lapho ukuthi ungaba ngothatha nama churches.
Sebenza la ukakarama. You can even ask him that question.
Okay.
No, wasamisa ukokotha lapha kumina man. Bona. Okay, mhlawumbe kudinga into efana ngoba check ngamasipala la. There's a lot of space there. There's a lot of space fana ngabe why meanwhile bathi kulinde whatever ilinde you. Akusetshenziswe za space station banike lapha. Ningena ni registered NPO isambise lapha kuma NPO nithola ama funding nisebenzisa laba office lawa sibone ukuthi sithola bobani that will come and help bafana beNyawupe. Come on.
Just to be clear, I'm not against ama tavern of Amazon.
Yeah.
But it's the problem ekhona. Why say avoid that?
Yeah.
Because now uyazi umntwana obheme yakubo willing ukuyeka uyahlala that 5 days. It's not enough. Kumele simrefer to somewhere. Lokumbi sesankha, it's a waste. Because sesankha basayoxoxa nawe. No, manje lo muntu lo kumele athathwe ayobekiwa somewhere. Ahlale leyo 6 months or even a year. Baphuma la baphuma indoda dependent.
Kube bona lapho phakathi kube sort of like skills development.
Yes.
Bonke abafana ababhemayo namuntu ozabhemayo umuntu ugude electrical ugude ngani plumbing nani lapho bafunde umntwana nani no asithi emasontweni asho kunoba nali 10% mfundisi vale ngicela ama 10% esontweni ngisho
abasnike 10%.
aphume 2%.
Abasnike 10% ele 10%.
Yeah ne? Yeah, aphume a certain amount 80 isosiza kule rehab.
Yeah.
Ema tavern nakhona. La sishaya khona.
Yeah.
Le budget nangabe li 25 rand awasinike 3 rand. Sithathe le 3 rand siyifake lapho. Khombisa ukuthi sifuna ukusizana siwumphakathi. So
Yeah, we can try, bro. Yazi for me and you and uSifiso Sihlela, it's simple. Let us see because we see the vision.
Yeah.
Omunye umuntu who doesn't see the vision won't be even willing ukuthi akunikeze 10 cent from imali yakhe. Mina now we are on the same page because you know us and you've seen us in action. We are on the same page. So angifuni ukuthi sizithembise ukuthi abantu basidisappoint kakhulu. We've got friends who are doing very well in business. They just backed out nje kuno president uRapatho wayikhuluma lento le wathi bekayichaza wathi abafowethu niyababona benza intehle. Labantu labo kusasa beba kungashona oyi1 wabo. Unohlanganisa 350,000 nongcobo okay.
Yeah.
Mara manje nababona benza 1 2 3 and basupport. Why ngabasupport? And young shaya nami ukuthi he's right. Somewhere we're not going to force anyone ukuthi asisize ngalento le. The vision is ours. We're going to make it possible. And as manje this emotion yini ukuthi we are busy with something. There's something which is cooking. Umuntu yazothini uyakubukelela petit.
Yeah.
Uyothi yawuthiyamle. Uyisize ngande awuthiyamkhomba.
So asenze so thina siyikhuluma ndoda ungathuli. Ubabuthabethe ngikufaka under ibus mine. Ikhuluma ndoda izoyenza iplan ukuthi ibone ukuthi assista kuphi kulo. If it takes ukuthi we make a lot of noise kule platform le ikhuluma ndoda or simbiza every week or we come there a campaign. Babuthabethe asiye lapha ngama holidays sobona lento abakhuluma ngayo ngoba manje sinbize la asiyiboni yabo. Yeah so babuthabethe ngicela siye lapha e campaign lapha. Sambe siyobona lento siyishoot lento le are we allowed mhlawumbe to take pictures?
Yeah, some of the things sizontshela ukuthi kuphi la uyenza as much as sizokuthola inokucima kuvele imuni indoda kuyesejulukile sina the tracks are here. Yeah. So pray
aphendula kanti benzani?
angazi ne.
Yeah. Abantu bakude kulaleleni.
Yes.
Abantu ekusizeni.
Yes.
So nina lento le in driver ukuthi nisiza abantwana bethu ipushing.
Yes.
Abantu bazozela kini.
Sure.
Yeah, people are coming. People are coming. Won't mention names, but people are coming in. Now, I'm a list of one. Esazi lo besimfonela always comes through. We've got Utato from Avora PPE. Tato from Avora PPE makes sure labantwana they are wearing PPE, they are safe. Ama boots bawugqokile, we've got overalls for mama pits. We would shout out to Tato. Shout out to Tato. We really appreciate him. Yeah. And then ngizwile prayer ukhuluma ngama skills development. We have a security company. We work under protection services. We currently are trying to get a certificate of facilitation. It's the medical and first aid facilitation. Sifuna labantwana bebaphuma kithi. Lo to wena uCrystal lo ngana plan at least akaphuma ne certificate of security from us. Ngala malanga wahleli 10 days le. Wena at least you have grade ETC 9.
Yeah ngoba ngivale ngibone ngala benya uphi uyavaya nakabuya uyomahlale so uyophuma ekhoneni obvious uyophinda buyele futhi
so radumnikeze leso certificate leso umntwana esine first aid and security ahamba ufuna umsebenzi we first aid and security and people don't know ukuthi first aid and security bophethe le certificate zoyi2 it's much faster than ukuthola umsebenzi than bophethe first aid yodwa uphethe security iyo bophethe zoyi2 then wena abantu abayi2 emntwini one. We gonna push.
No, then uthi nenza nabakera lapha.
Yeah,
iye happy student. This camp iyazinikela. sizokera abantu la mahala
Yeah,
bazokera yimi mahala.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
man.
ngiyaznikela ngizowakera mahala lapho ngoba uye uthi abasize wenzani uye
Yeah.
so
Yeah, no.
yeah ngicala ngami uqala.
Thank you very much.
I'm coming then ngizowashuta
mina
mahala.
esechaplain ngizofika nami for i-counseling.
All right.
No.
Linani canceling.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Yeah, so kuzikhuluma ndoda, kuzichaplain, kuza iye ePicture Studio.
Okay.
Much appreciated.
Last word.
Mina ngisahlezi kule yaba time mina. Bafowethu bobaba uyilale ebantwaneni benu. Mawuzazi ukuthi unomntwana womfana. Buyela.
Alitabule no mama ne.
Don't kuma. Don't kuma.
Umntwaneni. Done. Last word.
Yeah, I mean, I just wanna thank South Africa for tuning in and watching this episode. Yeah, we really appreciate it. Kulumandota would also like to thank Kulumandota for recognizing us and calling us to Studio Sabuti. Sizobala kule episode. We really appreciate it. Mzansi, shout out. Singathi Mzansi kuphela because we know we've got followers outside South Africa. Yeah, I would like to thank everyone actually who's watching this episode and huge shout out to out here to Prince Wako Pitori who gave us an opportunity when no one could. Was Temba with so as Panenat. Huge shout out to Prince and his team. Yeah.
Are we still having time?
8 minutes.
8 minutes. Ngifuna ushayele exercise e1 uphume net la. Uphume la uqhwela uphumele ngayo. Khombisa la untalo benzane. Ubona untalo benzane.
Kwathina self a week or two before camp.
Yeah.
Everyone uzombona ba-posta i-status. Uzwaba okay wabona nje uposta i-status uyajoga. Kwayena abo Prince babuyele
Jogalana.
Wonke umuntu.
Phela sikube
Price yabuya lapha.
Yeah.
Lapha wangafika unfit 2 days.
Yeah.
2 days yobu.
Yeah.
Kuhamba so.
Yeah.
Cause uyakhona utshela umntwana flat.
Yeah.
Run.
Yeah.
Demonstrate it. Flat run.
akubonakala.
No, ngizotela enye out yami ujoga.
Ujoga,
Yeah.
Lifestyle connected.
Yeah.
I mean after that now kube mhlawumbe ne camp nyana, yabo
Yeah.
enjoyment nyana man yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, yabo
no.
ngizotshela out yami le again.
Yeah.
Kube na something nyana man kungavela ukuthi hey straight yonke into vele no.
Phela lapha hawu lentwana nje phela ziyaziba ukuthi lo bangathi uyashaya lentwana le hayi ngangilimaza manje mina ngizobashangetheka
Yeah.
bafaka kwenye gym lapha kune insimbi yami engiyithembile angayiguga leyo nsimbi
Yeah, lawa sikhona ukuthi
uyabona lana
sokufuneka MJ ke manje.
security belibe tight
Yeah, sokufuneka MJ ke
yeah
manje.
but bayazi abafana
Bre sikushaya mental.
Mental.
Sikhona ebusuku asilali. 1. Asilali. Wonke umuntu angaba setendeni lakhe para kunemuntu le. Nabantwana bathi yavuka ngalalela lapha etendeni. Khona enye yakhala yathi ya thina sijwayele ukushayisa amantombazana i-dog style labashayisa thina i-dog style. Ngimlalele lapha etendeni ngaphandle. Ngithi tent number 2 ekseni wevuka tent number 26.
Donc
Wonke umuntu
Yeah.
come this
Yeah.
ngathi azisheni into eso ngathi izolo benithini ngaloko baphika bagcina bavuma
Vuma, yeah.
uthi hayi kushilo
For this time, we'd like to say thank you very much. This is not the end.
Yeah.
So we're gonna bring you again, and then spawn this push jump. But definitely show this coming camp, we're gonna be there. Now we'll apologize for nangabe ukuthi nechisakalo. Please. Phezimpi camera ngaba mthabethe. Now lapho na umamele khona now ukuthi nechisakalo I wanna put esivivaneni. We are more than welcome. Ungangena kukhuluma ndoda uwenze comment or ungangena ku social media page wabo uwenze comment usho bakuthola kanjani then ubafonele. This coming June we are going there. We're going to help
27.
From 27 June. From 27 June yaqalwa so ungavela manje ukwazi ukuprepare into
so
zakhona.
sina 4 our programs from 27 kune 5 days ikhona 10 days ikhona ye 15 ikhona 20 days.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 days it's 2.5, 10 days 5,000,
Okay.
15 days 7.5,
Okay.
20 days 10,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
So asipose nefivaneni so that bakhona uthola usizo.
Yeah.
Khuluma ndoda ungathuli. Inkinga tiyagibela. Nazi izinkinga manje asolve izinkinga ke lawa ke. So ngalo I like to thank you. Babuthabethe ngiyabonga le opportunity ngiphawe la mfethu. Thank you.